Okay, hello everyone. So I am here again with one more new trick. Okay, so how to use your pen drive, okay, as a virtual RAM. Okay, so here you all can see my pen drive, that is Kingston pen drive. Okay, so just right click on it. Okay, right now you can see that my 5 GB free space out of the 14.4 GB. Okay, so just right click on it and click on properties. Okay, now after that properties, just click on ready boost. Okay, so when you will click on that ready boost, you will find this option like do not use this device. Okay, right now obviously it is in that mode only, that do not use this device, but otherwise we can have two more options like dedicate this device to ready boost. Okay, which means in your pen drive right now around 5 GB are free, so this 5 GB you can use as a virtual RAM. Okay, because sometimes what happens, like in our PC we have so many softwares. Okay, and to use all those softwares we require higher memory of RAM. Okay, so here I can use that 5 GB, that is full and complete. Okay, and there is one more option, use this device. So the meaning of use this device is nothing but, for example, you want to use only 1 GB or 2 GB day of pen drive, then you can select that. But if you want to use that full 4 GB or 5 GB, then you have to use dedicate this device to ready boost. Okay, so when you will click on apply and when you will click on OK, you will find here that your pen drive is now completely used. Okay, so out of that 14.4 GB, 5 GB are reserved for your ready boost, that is the virtual RAM. So I will just click on apply and then I will just click on OK after that. Okay, so now you all can see that red color only 1 GB is free. Okay, so now your pen drive is converted into the virtual RAM. So again, if you want, like I do not want to use, okay, then again click on properties, again ready boost. Okay, again the same thing, do not use this device, just click on it, just apply and then press OK. So again back to that 5 GB free only. And one more thing, when you will use your pen drive as a virtual RAM, so inside this pen drive folder, the directory, okay, you will find one folder like ready to boost. Okay, so thank you all.